Right guys, I've got the Diamond Whites Mainline Baits in now. I'm just getting it all set up ready for Mirror Lake in October, and I put the pineapple and the IB syrup, I put it in about a month ago and let it soak in so it sort of silted right into the baits. And I've just received the Smart Cell liquid now to enhance it and cloud the water up at the bottom. And then you just squeeze some of this in like that, stick some of that in. It's nice and thick, smells absolutely spot on. So you just stick it in on the baits and I just roll them round. You just keep flicking them round like this. It's about 2 weeks before I go to Mirror Lake, so this will coat the outside now. So now it's really soaked in the syrup, and then this will coat the outside. So this will cloud the water columns going down, hopefully drag the fish down. That's what it's meant to do. And then obviously cloud the bottom up as well. You just keep shaking them, and it just turns the boilies round in the buckets. And it's so sticky to get on your hands. So you can just see it's got a little bit of a pinky tinge to it as it's soaking in. That's all you need. So a little bit of the syrup, the Mainline syrup, and then get on the new Smart liquids. So this one's a Cell. I think there's like 3 or 4 different flavours, but this one's got real pink, really thick, smells and tastes absolutely spot on. I mean, I can't wait to get this into Mirror Lake and get amongst them.